All right, so today we're going to take a look at this pet hair trimmer set. So it has, well, here's the main trimmer right here with the main head, and it does work well. I already used it once, and it was very highly functional. Came charged, so that was awesome. We'll go over the different types of heads there. It's got different heads for smaller parts of the body. It's got a adult extra trimmer, so you're not down to like a 1. You can trim it a little bit less. Brushes for the blades. Got a little blade oil there, which is good. The charging cable, and it comes with a stainless steel comb and set of scissors. So it's a full kit, all-encompassing kit. And the shaver itself, or the trimmer itself, is it's lightweight. It's not heavy. It's easy to operate. I mean, it's just pretty easy to move and operate, which is good. And it's about as far as noise wise, it's a fairly quiet trimmer, so it didn't spook my pet. My pet is a really good pet, but it didn't spook it too much. And once they got used to it, it was almost like a little relaxing sound for them. But overall, the functioning of the blade worked well. Trimmed exactly what I needed, and it was easy to clean as well when I was done. So overall, nice little trimmer set. I do hope this review was helpful, and I hope you have a great night. Thank you.
Okay, when I got the Amazon package, this was in there, and I noticed that it sounded like things were rattling around inside. The box was not sealed, and then this is how it was when I opened it 1 second ago. So the comb is out of the bag, and I don't know if you can see this in the light, but there's hair and fuzz and dirt.
Look, ready? Wait.
So there's hair and fuzz and dirt on some of the pieces.
So fine, let's just do it.
And the comb, does not look clean either. And I'm wondering if this was refurbished, but it never said it was. But look at, there's hair and grime on the
Ooh, it's like slimy.
material.
It's like slimy.
So I'm not quite sure what's slimy.
Like, feel it.
Oh, it feels grimy. I'm not sure what
Turn off.
why it was packaged like this and not it didn't look like it was newly packaged.
You should just add
in between toe pads. Do these for feet pads. You just switch it out in the main thing. You just pull up and it switches them out.